Alright, well, I'm going to do a sound test on a 55-pound Harbor Freight Anvil. I just set this up there. There's a stand. The stand is 6 inch by 6 inch by 3/16 inch square tubing. 4 pieces of it welded together, sitting on a 1/2 inch plate and a 3/8 inch plate top. There we go. This is a 28 ounce ball peen. I'm going to bring it up. Just let it fall. About four bounces. Fairly decent rebound for a cheap $50 anvil. You can see that larger hammers, though, pretty much take the beef right out of it. Whoops. Oops. Trying to show you that I'm letting the hammer just float in my hand, but it's throwing me off. Alright, going back to this smaller one here. Sounds like I need to tighten up a belt on my air compressor. You'll notice on a good anvil, you won't lose very much between the face of the anvil, the shoe of the anvil, and the horn of the anvil. This is a significant difference. That's a sign of, I don't know how they got this one to perform as well as it does, but it's just it was an exception to the typical Chinese rule that anything come from China is junk. Somehow or another they got this one to do pretty well. Anyway, I thought that might be of use to someone. That's a Harbor Freight 55-pound anvil.